In this video session, I am going to provide you module 2 components. In the previous video session, you have seen module 1 components. Why did you choose this course? Who can do this course? What is the software, types of softwares, introduction to software testing, what is the meaning of software quality, project and product, scope, error, defect, bug, failure, like this some basic terminologies I provided in the video number 1, which is software testing fundamentals. In this video number 2, I am going to software development life cycle. So what is SDLC? How the manner in the real-time industry this SDLC process phases will be executed. So those phases elaborately we can try to observe one after another one. This is SDLC. This, if you are observing, there is a requirement gathering, analysis, designing, coding, testing, deployment, maintenance. These are the phases existed. Of course, the phases of the order is same, but maybe sometimes some pictures they are showing 6 phases, 7 phases, 8 phases, like that. But the sequential process which is there for SDLC, as per IEEE standard, we must follow the same rule. Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It's a group. They are dividing these. They are actually maintaining the real-time document standard. So if you are coming to requirement gathering, guys, in this phase there is a business analyst team is going to involve. Business analyst team duty is gathering the requirements from the client location. So whatever the requirement they are going to gather from the client location, they are writing in a separate document. The separate document name is called BRS, Business Requirement Specifications. It has a number of alias names. Some people calling BDD, Business Design Document. Some people calling URS, User Requirement Specifications. Like that, different names existed. It is a pure high level document because it contains complete business information which is related to banking or insurance or finance or e-commerce or hospital management or hospitality. Whatever the client business is, that related requirements this document contains. Here, business analyst team is following some kinds of principles to gather the required analysis phase. In this phase, all business requirements are converting into technical requirements. Because in this phase, whatever the business requirements are there, they are converting into a first technical document is coming in this phase, SRS. Right. After successful completion of the requirement gathering, the project process is moving to next phase is called analysis. In this analysis phase, system analyst team is going to involve. They are converting all business requirements into technical requirements. As a tester or as a developer, if you are going to see the BRS document, maybe that much fruitfully we can't understand because it is a high level document which contains only business and a business related terminologies available. But as a tester, developer, programmer, we are the technical people. We are not that much business related people. So that time system analyst team is converting all business requirements into technical requirements. That first technical document name is called SRS, Software Requirement Specifications, SRS. So in this SRS document, all the requirements existed plus all the specifications also existed. So each and every requirement the technical reasons, complete explanation available on this SRS document. We'll see one SRS document for more understanding purpose. One model software requirement specification document, which is developed for exclusively one project, that is Citibank Services, one of the clients. It has complete details. If you are observing here, all the details existed here. So documents, approvals, dates, title, each and everything. At the same time, the related content also available. So if I am going to take to introductory part, they provided Citibank Services aim, what they are going to provide the facility to customers, and what kind of limited features available for the customers. Each and every component they are giving very clearly. And the purpose means which kind of stakeholders they are going to be used here. Stakeholders is nothing but clients, okay? And what a developer and tester's duty, and complete the scope, functional testing, automation testing, or banking level, which are the definitions existed here. Acronyms means full forms, all the things very clearly available. So SRS document contains in detail explanation about each and every business requirement as well as technical requirement. Observe where manager, customer duties actually. So these are the two different resources available in this project. So if you are going to browse this document, so this is the document contains all the resources, module name, applicable roles and a description, what customer doing, what is the manager responsibility in the balance query module, fund transfer, mini statement, customized statement, change password, new customer, new account. Like this is in detailed explanation existed. If you want to download this document, under my video I am providing this template. Just you can try to take and try to read this document to get a good knowledge on a project domain called Citibank Services. Come back to third phase, which is called system designing process. In this phase, project leader or project manager level category people are dividing total project into multiple main modules and sub modules. So in this phase, project manager and project leader category people are dividing multiple main modules and sub modules. Each and every main module comes under high level designing, sub modules comes under low level designing. So this is the blueprint of the project. Almost in this phase, each and every responsibility is well defined. Which a developer, which a tester, where they're involving, what exactly their roles and responsibilities here will be finalized. After successful designing process, the project is moving forward to coding and implementation. Coding alias name is the implementation. Guys, remember, every phase will discuss elaborately, very clearly when we are going to that particular job level. But our job is completely testing related. That is the reason I am not going to other phases more elaborately, because our complete concentration on software testing. So in the coding level, what existed? Coding is nothing but logical part of the project. It is a most essential and important one. In this coding level, a development team or a programming team selecting a perfect technology. In this phase, development team involving to develop total logic in a specific technology. Who is going to finalize the technology? Maybe client, business analyst, or project manager, or technical manager. All these people are going to finalize Python correct, or Java correct, or PHP correct, or Julia correct. So as per client business, they are going to decide the technology, and development team is going to develop the required logical part in this area. So they are performing completely white box testing related jobs they are going to perform. So white box testing comes under dynamic testing. Up to here, whatever the testing things occurred up to designing process, this is static testing, process oriented. I'll do separate video. What is the difference between static testing and dynamic testing? Don't worry. Come to our favorite phase now. That is called QA, is nothing but testing. In this phase, a test engineer going to involve to perform the process of SDLC, software testing life cycle. It has nearly 6 to 8 phases are there. Test initiation, test planning, test designing, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, bug reporting, and test closure. Like this, number of phases available here. In each and every phase, we are performing to bring good quality of the product or project. We are performing testing. So I'll show you in this area a detailed project testing process that is called system testing process. After that one, after successful completion of development and testing, the project or product is going to deliver or deploy. Means it is going to hand over to the respect client. Once the company hand over to the respect client, the project or product, and it is going to maintenance or support applicable. What is the meaning of maintenance or support? For the smooth running of the project, to maintain a healthy relation between client and company giving a technical support to client is called maintenance or tech support. This is a in detailed overview on software development life cycle. So if you are going to observe the more in detailed manner, you can try to see here requirement gathering, analysis, designing, coding, testing. And kickoff meeting is nothing but here. Maybe some people will write comments or compliments in the some people are going to question again. Kickoff meetings are didn't discuss it. Kickoff meeting means the meeting which is first occurred between client and company. The first meeting name is called kickoff meeting to discuss about the project in detailed manner is called kickoff meeting. After this SDLC process, I'll start some more SDLC methodologies or process based methodologies we are calling, like waterfall model, incremental model, V methodology, spiral methodology, and agile process. In the agile Scrum and Kanban frameworks are very popular. We'll see definitely these SDLC methodologies also. Thank you each and everyone for watching my videos, my dears. Please like, share and subscribe.